So if you're sitting at a stoplight or something, you're not having that natural air go through it from when you're driving. So those fans will kick on and actually pull the air through to keep it cooled down. I'll show them brakes. Oh, filter. So this air filter, if you've ever seen one. So when the engine is drawing air in, it pulls it through this filter. So you're not pulling a bunch of junk into your engine. So they have cleats, and you can see where things will just get stuck in there. This one's actually not that bad, but we've had them where they're so caked that the engine barely runs because it cannot draw air in. So good to change. These, I usually do mine about once a year. But just depends what kind of driving conditions you're in. Where I am, there's lots of dust and dirt and taking my truck where it shouldn't go.